Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install the death counter mod for 1.8.9, which calculates the number of deaths a player has. It also ranks them and stuff. You probably know what it is. It's not really a mod I like, but if you like it, it's up to you. I'm going to show you how to install it. Anyway, there's some commands here. You can check everything. But anyway, let's go to the download link. We need 1.8.9. Press here. Press download. If it doesn't work, press again. I want to close this before all the ads load. So just close this. And then we want to go to Forge 1.8.9 and download the recommended one here. Just press installer. Also, I'll leave the links for both of these in the description, so you can just click the links and get it all done. Then we'll have to wait and press skip up here. So just press skip, download these two. Now we're going to minimize this. My software as well, my recording software. We're going to press keep, put these two here, and we're going to minimize this as well. So now that we have these two here, we want to install Forge. So double click Forge, press OK. It might take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Let it go, let it do its thing. Mine's taking fast because I've already done this hundreds of times. Like, maybe not hundreds, but I've done it a lot of times. But yeah, just press OK. Also, you can delete this installer.log. You don't need it. But anyway, if it shows not here 1 or 2 or doesn't show anything, that's fine. I installed it like the second, third time, so that's fine. It's just because I've downloaded it multiple times. But anyway, now we're gonna go put the death count mod. So we're gonna do percent up data percent. Go to .minecraft, should be up here or in the bottom right here. Go to it, then go to mods folder if it's not here, just to create new folder, mods, all lower letters. Go into it. I have another mod in here. You can delete it, you can move it for now. I'm just gonna delete it, I don't need it. And then we wanna put this mod in here. I can drag it, you can copy it, you can cut, paste it. There's many ways, I'm just gonna drag it. Now we're gonna close this and we're gonna start Minecraft. So double click Minecraft and select the Forge version from here. If it's selected, just press play, but make sure that the number here matches this number. So if you have here 2318, go to installation, check if it's the right version. If it's not, if it's an older version like 1700 or something, it might not work. So you want to delete this and reinstall Forge. Make sure the numbers match up. Anyway, go to play and press play. That should launch it. We'll be waiting for it to load now. As you guys can see, it's loaded now. We have the death counter mode right here, and it should be working. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.